All right. Happy Saturday. Thanks for stopping by. So today is the day we're putting the new lithium battery in. First step, we've disconnected the solar panels. Those are undone, and the other system is undone. First step. Now let's check and make sure we don't have anything coming in. Yep, no panels bringing any power into the charge controllers. All right, next step, we have got to get these old AGM batteries out. So I've already taken off the ratchet strap. Now all I have to do is go and get my rubber boots and disconnect the negatives. And there goes the plane over. So I bet you already know where I am. When there's lots of planes going over and lots of noise, yes, I'm at the crazy cul-de-sac. So get prepared for leaf blowers and weed eaters and jet planes and barking dogs and screaming people. You never know what's going to happen over here at the crazy cul-de-sac. All right, let's jump into it. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take the negatives off. We're going to stick them up in these rubber boots just so we can actually lay them down and move on to other things without worrying about them sparking. So let's see, that looks like about a 10 millimeter. Let's see. Yeah, can you see that? Yeah, you can see that. So this is a negative from battery 3. So we'll be removing the negative wire from the alternator charging first. Where am I going to put all these things? Oh, there's a little cup holder right there on top of the fridge. Now for this, I don't know if that's going to even fit in there. Look at that. It's too big to fit it. Well, right off the bat, we're going to have to make some modifications, aren't we? All right, be right back. All right, do not try this at home, kids, but this is what I'm going to do. I've doubled up a sock and put over both of those negative wires just to keep it from touching anything metal. All right, so we've had 5 planes go over while we were figuring that out. And there goes another. This is going to be great quality video. Okay, so I've done the same thing. I've doubled up another sock to put over this next set of negative wires, and I got another pair of socks ready to go. All right, let's try to do this one in real time. This one's going to be a little tougher to get to. Oh. Yeah, we're going to leave that in, just so you can show what happens. Let's see. Yeah, this is going to be the toughest one to get to. Go ahead and get my sock ready. Did that scare you? Well, it's happened so many times to me, I guess I'm getting kind of used to it. Okay. You hear my fan coming on and off back there? That beeping? All right. So there's our last 2 negatives. All right, let me get something really good to put over these 2. Got to make the rubber boot fit. Be right back. Okay, I think we're in the clear here now. So we have everything disconnected, just laying freely on top. So I need to make a decision. Is it okay to do that? Yes. And This negative wire here, we can get rid of that one. Oh no, I got it taped around there. Oh crap. Let me get a knife. Where's my knife? Jeez, it's up on the dash. Be right back. Okay, so here's my plan. I'm going to remove, here's the bus bar. So I've got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 ports. And right now I've got 2, 4, 6, 7 appliances. So I've got room for 5 more appliances. This is the negative, this is the positive. But I've taken the cover off this one so you can see everything. So I've got to remove all these negatives, and I'll tie them up here on the wall because my cable management skills have got to get better. This is the way this thing has been for about a year and a half. Just a bird's nest. So I'm going to take time to do this, and we'll see you shortly. Okay, so I've got them pretty well separated out. Positive bus bar, negative bus bar. Okay, of course I've removed the top, so I'll have to put those back on. And so in theory, all I have to do now is hook this red cable to this positive terminal and this negative cable to this negative terminal, and plug in my solar panels on the roof, and that's it. Everything's wired up. But I got a problem with the battery box, the battery angle. It's not running completely parallel with the side of the vehicle. Oh, I didn't know this battery was going to be this big. And there goes another airplane. Nashville Airport is busy today. Well, my friends, bad news. After lunch, I did some research and did some testing and realized that battery came in completely dead and it will not take a charge. The appliances were running off of the solar panels. That's how they were running. And I was getting a lot of over voltage errors. So I have pulled the battery out. I'm going to return it. I put my 100 amp hour AGM back in here, just one of them, just to retest everything. I've reset the charge controllers for AGM, not Lifepo4. Here comes another airplane. And so we're dead in the water today. I got to return the battery. So this does it. This is exactly what I needed to know. I will not be changing from the AGMs. I'm not going to go through the ordeal of worrying about charging the batteries when it's below 30 degrees Fahrenheit. That's a ridiculous problem to worry about. So what I will be doing is putting all my AGMs back in, wiring them back up in parallel, and we will call it done. And I will be an AGM man from this point on. You know why? Because they work. They work and they don't give me any problems. And that's what I like. All right, well, sorry to disappoint you with a finale like this, but that's the way it goes sometimes. All right, take care, be well, smash the bell.